Hello guys, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp to create cartoon characters for free, and I'll be using WhatsApp app for this tutorial. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will get a notification once I upload a new video like this very one. So without further ado, let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So guys, open up your WhatsApp, okay? Then you see that I have ChatGPT already. So by the time you save the ChatGPT number, you will be able to chat ChatGPT on WhatsApp, also with Meta AI. Okay, so I'll open up the chat. So you see I can chat with ChatGPT. So but you now just click on new contact. Okay, so then save the contact. The first name should be ChatGPT. Then you see the number on the screen, so type this number, choose US, United States +1, then you see it's United States, okay, +1, that is their country code. Then enter the number here, so enter that number I showed on the screen. So by the time you enter that number now, then you will be able to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So when you are done, click on save, okay, for you to save the number. Then you can now go to search inside your contact, then search for ChatGPT. Automatically you see that they are already there. That means you can click on that contact, their contact, and then start chatting with them. So you see that what can I do with ChatGPT? You can do a lot of things. You can just, let me just import my image and tell him to convert this image into a cartoon. So I'll just click on gallery, then that camera icon, then add your image. Any image you have, you can convert it into a cartoon. Then enter in the prompt. So in this prompt now, enter this prompt here, create a cartoon. So the prompt is in the description. So just enter create a cartoon version of this picture and then send it to ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So it's going to generate this image for you in a cartoon form within 2 minutes. It's going to generate this image into a cartoon. So within 2 minutes, you see they say that they are working on it, so it will take few time before you know it. Now they are working on creating the image, so just have to wait for them like 2 minutes. Then you see they have already created the image. You see a nice cartoon picture of me. Wow, I like this picture. So that's how you can use your picture to create a cartoon. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video, please give this video a like, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon beside it so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So moving on. So you can create a lot. You can also do it on WhatsApp Business. So let's go to I'll go to WhatsApp Business. So you see the way I converted my picture to a cartoon. So you can actually make this thing to become a video if you want. If you want to learn how to turn your picture to become a cartoon video, I recommend you join my animation class. So watch this video to the end. I will tell you how to join my animation class. Then you see, what can ChatGPT do? You see, I asked him a question, what can ChatGPT do? So he's going to tell me how he can be able to assist me. So this thing can give you a lot of things, both advice, solutions, suggestions, even ideas. Even if you want to create content, it will guide you on how to create content. It can help you to have organize your timetable, organize your ideas. You know, it can explain things for you. This ChatGPT is a wonderful something that you need to have in your phone. Even if you have any issues, you can always ask him, he will assist you. Well, let me focus on the cartoon part of it, since my job is to teach you how to create cartoon videos. So this prompt now will be in the description again. You see all this prompt now. So the prompt is in the description. So when you check the description, you can be able to copy this prompt and then use it in your own picture, and you will create exactly a nice looking. This time around here, you will see that this picture, based on this prompt, you will get all the views, side views, front view, for those that are doing animation. So it will be easy for you to create your character. So they asked me what kind of cartoon style do I want. I'll just tell them just 2D. just to the same color. Okay, so something like, just describe what you want and ChatGPT is going to provide you with the best image. So it will take like 2 minutes or so, depending on your network. You see that they are working on it, so within 2 minutes now the image will load. See you see, we are able to create the image in front view, side view, back view. So you see that this ChatGPT is a useful app. I recommend everybody to have it in their phone. So you see how I'm able to change this image to a cartoon. So if you want now, you can make this character to start working, to start talking, you know, to animate it. And if you want to learn how to animate it, I'm willing to teach you. So you can enjoy my animation class, then I will teach you everything about cartoon animation, you know, of this particular character. If you watch this video to this level, write my name in capital letters or Bino Tutorials. So now we have animation class where we go into details and teach you step-by-step process on how to create cartoon videos either with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, so join my WhatsApp channel. Yes, check the description of this video, you will find my WhatsApp channel link there. So click the link and join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me from there, so that I will give you access to the animation class and then send you the animation apps for creating cartoon characters. Alright, so that's all about this video. Be sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Like this video and also share this video so that other people will also learn. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. And if you want to continue learning about ChatGPT, then check the pinned comment below. You will see my ChatGPT tutorial playlist there, so you can watch. Click the link to watch all my AI tutorials. I have over 3 videos on the playlist that will help you master how to use ChatGPT. So check the pinned comment now and continue watching.